Today we are going to discover the 5 must visits in Verona, and the first we are in front of it is the Arena of Verona. Here in ancient times gladiators were fighting for their lives, and today the arena is used for mostly operas and concerts, and in this stunning atmosphere it's a place definitely to visit. Today Saturday, we are here on the 2nd November. Temperatures about 20 degrees. That's the beauty of Italy. And now we are going to shop and to eat something, and we are gonna show you what you can eat here in the beautiful Verona. Now we are heading to the shopping street here, and you see Verona is full of life. Now it's pretty loud. That's the Italian feeling. We have nice shops here. The atmosphere is something different, and the road, it's called Viale Mazzini. Here are located all the luxury shops, Gucci, Prada, we know. And yeah, the feeling is very Italian, but you can distinguish the tourists to the Italians. The Italians already dressing in November, long jackets, winter clothes, and the tourists are in short pants and without any jacket. Alright. Okay. Now we are here in Piazza delle Erbe, and near we have the Torre Lamberti, a medieval tower that is the highest point of Verona. We're going to visit it next, but before we go to eat something, we have to eat something. We're really hungry. Let's look for a good spot. Okay, now we are here in a restaurant near the Piazza Erbe directly, and it's called Buffet, and it's fine dining, and later we are going to eat something a little bit more settled. Okay, now the main course is here. We have I have Parmigiana, and Anita Fusilli with pomodorini with tomatoes, and Jonathan has a tartare, beef tartare Italian style. Okay, now final of the day, of the meal here, espresso and tiramisu. We have finished our meal in restaurant Maffei. What do you say? From
nice location.
1 to 10, location? 9. Okay. For Anita 9, for me a 9 too. But for the tiramisu, definitely a 10 out of 10, the maximum points. Try it. Restaurant Maffei. Here. Directly on the main square here in Verona. It was amazing. Our third stop is the Casa di Giulietta. It's inspired by Shakespeare's Romeo and Juliet. It's one of the most famous places here in Verona. Here the family Capulet lived. You need a little bit of patience, but all the couples write their name here. So much love. I wonder if all the couples are still together. Nice. I show you now. Here's Juliet's balcony. You feel the atmosphere here. So much love. And you have, here is the statue of Juliet. And it brings luck to touch the boob of Juliet. Just give me Jonathan. No. So, Jonathan, also. Now we are lucky in love. And you have to buy a heart to hang on the bridge where we go next. Our next spot is the Torre de Lamberti. Now we are here finally in the Torre de Lamberti in the elevator. Halfway you can go by elevator, and then the rest you have to walk on the stairs. And the main tower, the highest point, is closed, but I think the panorama is still one of the best in Verona. Here on the Torre de Lamberti you have a 360-degree view above Verona. Now we are heading to Ponte Pietra, one of our next spot, and this is the Adige. We call it the Edge. It's the second biggest river in Italy. It's a nice place. Take a walk during autumn, spring. Really beautiful. And here you see Castel San Pietro. It's one of the most iconic places here in Verona. Now we are crossing Ponte Pietra. Really nice place, built by the Romans and destroyed in the war. Have a good look here over the Adige. the weather is a dream. Atmosphere here is something different. It's very nice vibe. Sun is setting and now Verona is coming to life. Nightlife is starting. Now it's Aperitivo time here with the tagliere. Back on the Piazza delle Erbe. I have never seen so much people walking around, shopping around. We are back at the Arena di Verona. Whew. A bit stress here. Maybe choose not the weekend to come here. Maybe during the week it's a little bit less stressy. Finally, Aperitivo time. We are here, Café del Teatro near the arena. We ordered also a selection of cold cuts, local cold cuts. It's finally time. I'm really thirsty. Achtung aufs Auge, nehmen wir fast ein Auge aus dem Stock. Middle of this chaos, chaotic place. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel and leave me a comment if you ever been to Verona or you're interested to visit Verona or what's your favorite city. I think it's time to call it a day. It was a fantastic, epic day in Verona. Good food, a lot of people and nice places. I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. And I see you on the next one. We see you on the next one. Anita and Mara.